Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your keyboard works and noting the BIOS version. This prevents surprises later. Once done, reboot and press the manufacturer's entry key, F2, Del, or ESC, until you see the firmware menu. Make sure to document existing settings or take a photo. This lets you restore defaults if needed. You are now inside BIOS, ready to find keyboard or advanced input options. Don't skip the backup step, because changes to input mappings can be hard to reverse without a known baseline. You'll navigate to Input, Peripherals, or Advanced sections and look for USB or keyboard configuration. Manufacturers label this differently. Once you find entries like Windows key, hotkey mode, or key mapping, change the value to Disabled, OS Managed, or remap the key to None if the firmware offers that. Make incremental changes and save only after confirming the targeted option. If multiple entries affect modifier behavior, adjust them consistently so the Windows key stops generating the expected scan code in your operating system. Save and exit the firmware, then boot into your operating system and test the key in a text editor and with common shortcuts. This confirms the change. If you couldn't find a disabling option, consider updating BIOS or using vendor keyboard firmware or utilities. Newer firmware sometimes adds key remapping features. If anything goes wrong, immediately load BIOS defaults and restore your photos or documented settings, then retry cautiously. One troubleshooting tip. A firmware update can fix missing options, but read release notes before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.